I'll restart, yeah. Hey guys, my name is Silva. I've been cutting hair since March 2019.
Hey, sitting like a boss, bring the workers out. Press on the exhaust, we be skirting now. No, we not the same, what you talking about?
That's a very good question. This job barbering is very important to me, is because like, I have nothing else to do in life. And like, this is what everyone says, you know? I don't know what to do after high school. Well, I tried barbering, well, look at me now. It turned out good. I'm at Basement, best barbershop in Brisbane.
Sounds good. Fake niggas in the picture, let me crop them out. They told us trust the process, we ain't stopping now. They know that it's a scene when we poppin'.
Well, I enjoyed this job, which is the culture around me and the boys that surrounds me. And what I can learn from them, I can bring to my work. I can bring a basic cut and just give it a little bit of flair.
Dropping every month, we ain't slowing down, no. Ayy, sitting like a boss, bring the workers out. Press on the exhaust, we be skirting now. No, we not the same, what you talking about? Got me all up